Hi everyone, this is Jann. I hope everyone had a great holiday. We're going to do a little ice cream bar today for a little summer design. We have not done a fill pattern and an outline, so I wanted to do something we hadn't done before, and this little design is cute to put on anything. And you can change this little ice cream bar here to about, 2 or 3 different types of ice creams. So it'd be fun to do, and you can make a little runner. You could do 2 more on each side of this. But this will get you going on a little ice cream bar, and you would treat it just like an embroidery design. So we're going to go into IQ Designer. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to do our pattern for our ice cream bar. I am in a 5x7 hoop here. Let's go to shapes. And I chose number 14 here. Click on that, click OK. Now we want to go to size, and we want to size this. I'm going to go to the keypad up here. And for the height of this, I want 4 inches, so let's type in 4 point set, and for the width I want 3, so let's go 3 point and set, and there's our ice cream shape. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is go into shapes again, and let's choose the ice cream stick, which is number 15, click on that, click OK. And go to size again, and go to the keypad. For the length I want 1.72 and set. For the width I want 0.45, so I think I have to put a 0.45 set. Okay, now it automatically rotated it for me, so I'll go OK. And let's go up here to the rotate key. I need to move it, so I'm going to use the keypad. And I want it to, about right there. Go OK. Now let's click this up to 200 so you can see it. Now what we want to do, we want to erase this part right in here. So click your eraser. I want it down to about 15. I want a square. Click OK. Let's bump this up to 400 so that we can see it. I'm going to move it down a little bit. Now when you do the eraser, click outside here, beyond where you want to start your erase. Okay, come on down. And it's okay if you have a little nub here. Let's see if we can hit it one more time. Yeah, and this one maybe one more pixel or whatever they call it. Okay. Now let's zoom back out. Okay, let's go to 200 though, because that's easier for you to see. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and put in our little lines across here if we're going to do the Neapolitan ice cream. I think that's the cutest one. So let's go up to line properties. We want to go to the straight line up here. Click that. Leave it on black. Let's go OK. And you can space these any way you want to. I'm going to start this one about right here. Click down on your mouse, hold it, drag it across, and line it up. You know, I think I want my strawberry down further. So if you get it too far up, just go down here to the undo. Now let's try that again. I want to come down about right here. Okay. Leave the lines going on each side. That's not going to matter because we're going to do a no-sew. Okay. Click down about down here. Just eyeball it. Okay, let go of it. Okay, now we want to stay in the line property, so click that and we want to no-sew. Go OK. Now go to the bucket and click on the no-sew line anywhere. Now it changed the whole thing to a no-sew, and I saw it when it clicked everything, but I'm just going to check the lines. When you hear that double knock, that means that it changed to your no-sew. Okay, so everything is a no-sew. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our fill. So let's go over here to fill properties. And we have it on a fill. And the first color is strawberry. So I'm going to pick pink. Do the bucket. Click inside your little top part here. Now let's go to fill properties again. Let's go vanilla. Okay, with bucket. There's vanilla. Line properties again. Let's go to a chocolate. Okay. And there's the chocolate. Okay, now we need our little stick too. So go to fill properties. Oh, let's make the stick maybe. Oh, we could do a little almond color, huh? We'll just do one over here. Okay, and do our stick. Now the next thing we want to do is do our outline. Okay, now let's go to line properties. Let's do a bean stitch. Let's do that one right there, and I'm going to keep it black. The black kind of outlines it. Go to the bucket. Now let's click on a line. Now I saw it change everything on the screen, but I'm going to double check. Hear the double knock? Now the only thing is I need to come back and I need to erase these out here. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, and I'm going to go down to the bar here. Now I'm going to hit the erase tool. It's already on 15. And I'm just going to, there we go. Okay, now let's move it over to the other side. Click outside wherever you want to do that. Okay. And let me see if I can get the edge there. All right. Now let's go back to 200. There we go. Okay, now all of our outline is done on this. Now what I would do, let's go ahead and save this. Okay, we've done everything on our ice cream bar. So let's save it in memory. Put it in our machine. Now when we go next, this is our properties for our fill. Make sure you click the little chain link. We want it to change everything. So on the auto deal, go to manual, go down to 30. That's what Gloria recommends for any fill. And then leave these two the same, and on the bottom one we want the undersewing on. So click on, click OK, and click set, OK. And there is our little ice cream cone, but I want to go into edit and I want to move it up. I want to center it. So go to edit, move, and click the little circle here, the center button, and it moved it right in the center for us. And then click OK. All right. Now, if you want to do something like this and you wanted, I would really recommend the stippling around it, because if you don't do that, your edges and everything, it's just going to pucker up. Okay. So if you have the ice cream cone as is, go ahead and put that in memory before you do any kind of embroidery so that it's separate. Okay, so I'm going to go memory, put it in the machine. That's going to save it. Whenever you turn your machine on, you can go right to it. Now, if you want to put, now I'm on the 5x7, but if you want to put stippling like I did on this prior to doing your ice cream cone, which I highly recommend, go to your stipple, okay, and then it made the stipple, and you can choose, let's go down to a 5x7 hoop. There's our 5x7 hoop, okay. Now, I didn't do any other kind of distance on this. I just left it like it was. I didn't change the spacing. I just clicked OK. And then that would do your stipple stitch. If you want to do your lettering, you can go ahead and do your put your lettering on here. You've got the key right here. So I would just go ahead and save this with the stipple on it. Memory. So that you have one that has the stippling before you do your embroidery. Now if I go over here and I do embroidery, let's click on embroidery. It is going to stitch the ice cream first. So what you would want to do is you would want to go down here to this key here. That's your advanced key. Click on that, and you would want to move your machine until you get to the stippling, which is the blue. And you would want to stitch that out first. You would hoop your no-show stabilizer. You'd put your top fabric on. Make sure that on your top fabric you put your SF101 or your Shape Flex on it so that it keeps it from puckering. Now, I didn't hoop the top one with it. I laid it on top of the no-show and then went ahead and did the stipple, and I didn't have any problem with it sliding around or anything. So I did the stipple first, okay? Then, let's go return. Then once you do your stipple, then you're going to come back and you would start your embroidery, okay, on top of that. And you've got this saved like this, and then if you want to do your writing on here, you can go ahead and pull this in just like it is now, and then you could go ahead and put in your writing down here if you wanted any kind of text down here. And the only thing that you need to remember is whenever you do a banner, the banner, make sure you put your little loops on before you sew your backing on. So let me hop out of this. Okay, let's go up here. I'm going to delete the current pattern. I'm going to go into embroidery, and I'm going to pull up the same design. Okay, so here's this design right here. This is the one I did yesterday for this. But I want to show you what else you can do on this. Let's see if I can get this to come down. No. Okay. There we go. Now you can also see there's the one with the summer tree. And you can also, I did one in just a little trivet there. Okay, so you can see this one is the trivet. Hello, summer. And for the ice cream on this one, I went to the shapes, and I went the third one over, the open shapes, and it had a little design like this, and all I did was choose that line across here, and then I angled it about 10 degrees. Go 10 or 20, and when you angle it, then it looks like chocolate, melted chocolate on it. And you can see I also did one in a table topper. If you want to do the candle wicking and you want to do the ice cream in that, you would follow instructions. I have videos on how to do the toppers and everything, and you would treat this like a regular design. You do everything like you were going to make a topper, and when you come to the place where you're going to put your design in, then you just bring in this design. Okay, that's why you need to save this with just the ice cream like this, and you can save another one with the stippling. Okay, or you can use this one, but just don't do the stippling when the machine comes to that part. Okay, so that's your choices. Now, I didn't have any summer fabric that looked really cute with this when I stitched out this one and the other one. The fabrics just didn't do what I wanted it to do, so that's why I went ahead and made this little banner here. Okay, so you have to have the right kind of fabric. I didn't have any kind of little summer fabric. I don't know why I didn't, but anyway, I just wanted to show you how to do the ice cream cones so that you could do your own and have fun with it, and it would be a quick little project. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel, and I have plenty of projects on there for you. I'll put a little link if you want to go to my eBay site. I have several toppers for sale. I have hand-painted florals for sale there that you might enjoy looking at. But thank you so much for joining me for this cute little summer treat here that you can do on your embroidery machine. Okay, I'm on a Solaris 2 here, but you could do this on the Stellaire or any other machines that aren't top of the line. Have fun with it, everyone. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye for now, and I will see you next time.